Welcome to Vestlye, your trusted trading platform. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through the KYC verification process to unlock your account's full potential. Step 1. When you first create an account, it will show as unverified. To start the verification process, simply click on the KYC verification button. Step 2. Enter personal details. Next, fill out your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and gender. Once you've entered these details, click Next to proceed. Step 3. Upload identification documents. Now, upload the front and back sides of your government-issued ID. Ensure the images are clear and legible. Then, enter your ID number and select the country where your ID was issued. After that, click Next to continue. Step 4. Provide contact information. In the next step, choose your country and provide a valid phone number. Double-check your details, then click Submit. Step 5. Verification status. Your KYC verification is now in progress. The status will show as verification pending. Please allow a few hours for our team to review your documents. Final step, verification complete. Once approved, your account status will change to verified. You're now ready to trade securely with Vestlye. Thank you for choosing Vestlye.